Introducing Grok Automator. Grok Automator is a powerful Chrome extension designed to automate Grok AI image and video generation workflows. Instead of manually entering prompts, uploading images, and downloading results one by one, Grok Automator automates the entire process. You can run auto, bulk, and mass prompt automation, allowing you to generate large amounts of AI content with minimal effort. In this video, I'll show you how Grok Automator works and how you can scale your entire AI content creation workflow. Grok Automator includes two main generation modes. 1. Create image. 2. Create video. Each mode includes multiple generation methods and powerful automation features. Let's start with Create Image mode. Create Image mode allows you to generate AI images automatically using different workflows inside Grok. Grok Automator supports 3 image generation methods: text to image, integration to image, paired to image. In text to image mode, simply enter your prompts describing the image you want to generate. You can paste multiple prompts or upload a prompt list. Once added, Grok Automator will automatically generate images for each prompt in bulk. In integration mode, you can upload multiple reference images. Grok will use these images along with your prompt to generate more consistent and accurate visuals. This is perfect for maintaining style and improving quality. In paired mode, each prompt is matched with a specific image. This is useful for storytelling, scene creation, or structured visual workflows. Now let's look at Create Video mode. Grok Automator supports 4 powerful video generation methods: text to video, frame to video, integration to video, paired to video. In text to video mode, simply enter prompts describing the video you want to generate. You can add multiple prompts, and Grok Automator will automatically generate videos for each prompt in bulk. This is perfect for creating large amounts of video content quickly. In frame to video mode, you can upload starting and ending frames for your video. Grok Automator will generate videos between those frames using your prompts. This is useful for creating smooth transitions, scene variations, and controlled animations. In integration mode, you can upload multiple reference images. Grok uses these images along with your prompts to generate consistent and high-quality videos. This helps maintain characters, styles, and environments across videos. In paired mode, each image is matched with its own prompt. Every image gets a unique animation instruction, making it ideal for storytelling and scene-based video workflows. Grok Automator includes powerful automation features to handle large workflows. Queue system, manage large prompt lists, edit, zoom anytime. Stealth mode, simulates human behavior to reduce rate limits and errors. Auto clear cache, prevents browser lag during long automation sessions. Grok Automator also gives you full control over output settings. For images, download per prompt, choose aspect ratio. For videos, set video quality. Define video duration. Select aspect ratio. These settings help you customize your output exactly the way you want. Once everything is set, simply click Start Automation. Grok Automator will automatically feed prompts, upload reference images, generate images and videos, download automatically, all without manual effort. Grok Automator also includes a powerful built-in AI prompt generator. This feature allows you to generate unlimited high-quality prompts without needing any API key or extra payment. Everything works directly inside the extension. Simple, fast, and ready to use. To get started, open the prompt generator. Select your prompt style, adjust the prompt length, and choose how many prompts you want to generate. Set your theme, fine-tune advanced options if needed, and click Generate. Grok Automator will create a set of ready-to-use prompts for your workflow. With the AI prompt generator, you can create unlimited prompts, save time, and scale your content production without any extra cost. And that's Grok Automator, a complete automation solution for scaling Grok AI image and video generation. If you want to generate more content, save time, and automate your workflow, Grok Automator is built for you. Start using Grok Automator today and take your AI content creation to the next level.